Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel. Today we will going to draw Pocoyo versus Pocoyo set. Let's start drawing. At first I draw his eyes, his nose, his smiling mouth, now his head, his face. He's wearing a cap, his body, his zipper, his arms like this. Now I'm going to draw sad Pocoyo. His eyes, his nose, Pocoyo going to be sad, sad mouth, his head, his face, his cap. He's wearing a cap, his body, his hands, his zipper. I am use this black marker. Drawing make more visible. Now let's coloring in Happy Pocoyo. First I use pink color. Then I arrange his mouth, sky blue, his cap, his hand, sky blue, his body, now yellow, his zipper. Now I use again pink color for his skin. Now I use sea green. And again yellow, his zipper. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget subscribe my channel. Bye bye. See you next video.